Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Selecting all your emails in Apple Mail is a quick way to organize your inbox or clear out clutter. On a Mac computer, the process is very simple and takes only a second. First, open the Mail app and click on any email in your list to focus the window. Once one email is highlighted, press the Command and A keys at the same time on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut instantly selects every single message in your current folder. If you prefer using the menu bar at the top, go to the top of your screen and click on the Edit menu. Then, choose the Select All option from the drop-down menu that appears. You will see all your messages turn blue to show they are selected. On an iPhone or iPad, the steps are slightly different but still very easy to follow. Open the Mail app and go to the inbox or folder you want to manage. Tap the Edit button located in the top right corner of your screen. Look at the top left corner and you will see an option that says Select All. Tap that button to highlight every email on the list. Once your emails are selected, you can move them to a new folder, mark them as read, or delete them all at once. This works for your main inbox, your trash, or any custom folders you have created. It is the fastest way to handle large amounts of mail without clicking every single message individually. Managing your digital life becomes much easier when you know these quick shortcuts.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.